Hey, if you're looking for an energy efficient green built home in Parrish, Florida, then today I'm going to share with you the Inland Homes Isles at BayView right off of Moccasin Wallow Road. And I'm going to give you a sneak preview of their newly completed model home. And I want to tell you about some really cool aspects of these homes that are not typically offered in too many other communities. So I want you to stay tuned. Hey neighbors, I'm Catherine Newman. I'm your local real estate professional in Manatee and Sarasota counties, and specifically in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. Woo! Jeez. Okay, that was a beat. And Florida. Woo! Jeez. And today I'm really intrigued because the homes here, as you're going to see, offer some unique style features that aren't necessarily available in other plans or other communities. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, well, welcome to the crazy. Don't be a stranger, and make sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can always learn as much as possible about Parrish, Florida, or about the other great beach communities in either Manatee or Sarasota counties. So like I said, I'm really intrigued by today's homes because if you want a new construction home that offers more exterior character so that the look and the feel of the neighborhood has, more visual interest and doesn't look too matchy-matchy, where all of the homes look exactly alike, then I want you to check this out. So Isles at BayView will offer 5 exterior elevations, which include craftsman, farmhouse, coastal, Spanish, and transitional. Now, all the homes are going to have covered lanais. Some are going to have designated pet rooms. Yeah, how cool is that? Some are going to have flex or bonus spaces, office or den spaces, and my favorite, designated laundry rooms. Yeah, that's a big deal to me.
Why don't you show me the house?
So check out this cool feature of the coastal elevation. Hello people, guess what those are? Yep, those are seashells. How cool is that? think this is a great floor plan and the area is really great, but I'd really love to hear your thoughts about this particular model home. So make sure you leave your comments below. And if you'd like to get more information about this community, all of the other floor plans that they offer, so you can check them out and see maybe which ones fit your lifestyle, fit your budget, make sure to get in touch with me so I can chat with you about your options, and also so I can tell you about what the builder incentives are that could really help you make this home or one like it your next home. I'm going to continue to make relevant videos about the real estate markets in Manatee and Sarasota, and specifically in Parrish, Florida, because you know many newcomers to this area in Parrish, Florida are finding their first home, their move-up home, their retirement home, or even their vacation home. And I have a great relationship with these area builders, and they're really good about keeping me updated on their quick move-in homes and of course any special incentives that they're offering. So if you want to always be in the know about this community or any community, whether it's new construction or maybe it's a community that's been here for many years, I'm going to be right here for you so I can answer your questions, get you the information you need, find you the best deals, and of course walk you through the entire start to finish buying process, because I'm also a certified new home specialist and I've got all that there training and all that education, and that's going to help you out. I'm always going to have your back. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because I don't want you to miss out, and so that you're always alerted every week when a new video is available. I'm Catherine Newman. I will see you next time.